¿Qué rollo, mis cochones? Check it out, Hemis. We got a new video today, Hemi. Changing out parts. We just ordered some. Check it out. Oh, damn, I gotta close the door, I think. Hold on, perros. Let's try this again, Hemis. We got some lights back here. Check it out. Order the third light, it's not here. Gonna order the brake lights, but on the camera y'all can't even really see it's too bright, Hemi. But these are sick. Then we ordered the door ones, but we couldn't find the wire, so we're gonna take the panel off, Hemis. We got the bright white right here. Got the white up here. Y luego we got the red on white. Makes it look bluish. Damn, perros. Ya nomás que chulada, perros. ¿Qué rollo, mis cochones? We're back the next day, Hemis. And let's see what we got here, because we got a new package, Hemi. Gotta kind of hide that address and shit, Hemi. Let's see if I can do it like this. Let's see what we got here, package. No más, Hemis. See what we got in here. Oh yeah, baby! Check it out, Hemis. The brake light right here. We're about to install it and see what's up, pero let's see how good it fits. What I like about this though, look, comes with like that little gasket, Hemis. Let's see what's up, perros. Gotta unscrew these, huh? We already got one out. I take, oh damn, what the hell? Take this other one out, homies. Pull this out, see what it looks like. Man, Hemi. There we go, let's see, look. Try to install that other one, see what it looks like, Hemis. Alright, homies. Blocking the light over here. It's got a little clip right here. Pull that little clip upwards. And then pull this out, Hemis, just like that, and this thing comes out. Let's install this new one. First, I'm gonna put this little gasket around first. Hold on. Let's see if we put this camera, Hemis. Get this going for y'all. See, get the plastic off. Flip it, Hemis. Oh, come on, man. Put this on there like that, Hemis. See how this shit goes. Settled up. Nice and snug. Damn, perfect, right on the holes. Let me look at that. You'll see right through that. Look at that, perros. Now, oh, we gotta connect this over here. Camera again. that, press it on the way in. This is gonna go like this. Put that in there. Let's get this going in there like that. Let's drill it back in. Well, hell, it's hard to do all this shit at once like this. Everything out. I don't know about all this right here though. We're gonna have to see what's up with that, Hemis. Probably gonna have to throw water on there or see if it leaks, 'cause I don't trust it. Well, this other one was the same. This gasket's already all worn out, so I mean, it should be fine, but you just never know. Looks good right there. Let's go get the keys real quick and see what it looks like. So, perro. Let me see, it should work with the, let's see. Oh no, you gotta hit the brakes, Hemi. Gotta hit the brakes, Hemis. I don't even know where to put all that. Now we have to see. I think right there, Hemis. See what happens. If it's working, Hemis. Stop the video and check it out. Well, y'all were able to see that it's working, but I don't even know if I'm gonna like it, Hemis. I thought it was all gonna light up. Maybe that's just for the reverse right here. I have to check it out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that, Hemis. Might have to switch it out, but I don't know. We'll see as we go along. All right, big dogs. Well, put something over there, hit the brakes, but actually, I kind of do like it. When I see it up close, I like it. It's nice and bright, but it doesn't look bright because it's bright in here. The damn garage lights are on, but this thing actually looks pretty tight. I'm gonna have to hit that reverse, see what it looks like. Alright, big dog, look at that. That shit looks nice. I mean, I'm not even gonna lie, I like it. Let me turn off the lights so y'all can see this real quick. Hemis? Look at that. Hopefully it's not. This thing might be a little bit too bright for the camera, but look at this, fool. This thing looks sick, Hemis. Yeah, I like it. I'm keeping this. Yeah, this thing's gonna look sick rolling down the street. These are sick though, dog. Wish y'all could see it better. Oh, there we go. Look, these are sick though. All LEDs, both sides. That looks sick though. Now I'm just waiting for the taillights. We'll see when we get those in. And I'm probably gonna do the front headlights also, but that'll be a little bit later on. But damn, them lights look sick. Let me see if y'all can see without the. I can't even. Nah, well. Anyways, this thing looks sick though, homies. Like I said, homies, all we're lacking, we need some new door panels. I think we're gonna get that next too. All we need is the light in here. I need to find that enchufe in there, so we'll probably be doing that later on. But we'll get me some new door panels and stuff. And we're gonna start hooking this thing up. Got the suede up top. This thing's looking nice. Gonna get the seats. Gotta get the whole new middle console. I don't know, little by little, big dogs. We're gonna start making it look nice now, since I mean, she ain't the fastest in the world and shit, but at least we got the motor hooked up somewhat. So now it's time to make her look nice. Que rollo, mis cochones! I appreciate y'all if y'all stayed this long in the video. The video is pretty much almost over. Just want to let y'all know that I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for supporting. If y'all want to support more, I got a Facebook page. It's the same shit. Listo para Desmadre Racing. Y'all go ahead and go over there, add me, follow me, whatever it is. On TikTok, I also have a TikTok page, but they don't really let me post truck content. Every time I post burning out or racing or something, they always flag me, so I gave up on TikTok pretty much. But that's pretty much more work related for all the homies out there. I know a lot of y'all follow me already, but for those who want to follow my work related content, it's The Last Airbender on TikTok. Y'all go ahead and follow me there. But just wanted to let y'all know that I do have another video that I'll be dropping in a couple days, and that's going to be updated on the Hormiga Roja of what we got going on with her. I know on the last video, I'm pretty sure y'all were able to see a glimpse of what I got going on with her. But now I have old clips. I'm going to add my old clips, and then I'm going to add my freshly updated ones that I barely recorded, I believe it was yesterday, on the Hormiga Roja up close and all that, so you can see what's going on. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. I should drop it. What's today? Tuesday. I'll probably drop this one today, Tuesday, and then Thursday I'll drop the other one. So just keep y'all updated. So y'all just do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, share it, big dogs. Y'all want to buy some merch, some stickers? All I got is stickers right now, but I'm in the process of ordering hoodies and shirts and all that. So we'll be getting closer to that. We're getting closer to that. Maybe some keychain lanyards, but some good kind, not those cheap little flimsy ones. Some good lanyards, and yeah, just go ahead and support as much as y'all can. And for those who've been supporting, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for everything, man. But yeah, just I'll be dropping this video today, so y'all already watching this shit. So Thursday I'll drop another one. So we'll see y'all then, big dogs. Appreciate y'all.